What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Playmaker Way. Hope you're having a great day, morning, or evening. And y'all read the title, man. Weekly Bitcoin update. Man, if y'all watched last week's Bitcoin video, you should be up right now. Now, if this is your first time on the channel, welcome. I appreciate you giving this video a chance. Make sure to hit that bell and sub button because we don't just post weekly content like this, but we also live stream and live trade every day. On this session 3 a.m. EST on this very same channel. We also have a free signal, free Telegram. As you can see right here, this is how we did last month for May. We went 16-4, giving us an 80% win rate, cost 69,396 pips. You can see this by going to June 3rd. You can also see some student results and testimonial, and over 1,000 receipts of screenshots of student results, testimonials, screenshots of actual position of trades I took, screenshots of signals I called, all that good stuff. So make sure to hit that first link in the description and check all that stuff out. Now that's how we did last month. Now how we did quarter 1 to start the year off, we went 53-4, giving us a 93% win rate. January we went 20-0, catching 37,620 pips. February we went 17-1, catching 24,403 pips. Then March we went 16-3, catching 49,783 pips, catching a total of 111,806 pips. You can see this by scrolling to April 4th. You click right here. You click right here. It's going to take you to the beginning of the year. Now let's go ahead and get straight into this video. So looking at Bitcoin, again, check out last week's Bitcoin update video and you'll see that it went as projected, right? We go to the last week, we can see that it's from last week, it's not shot up and pushed up. So what we was talking about last week, or the past couple weeks, I should say, is if we can continue to hold 54,000 as support, we can see price push back up, and also how we still have bullish momentum. So when it comes to investing long-term or swing trading Bitcoin, especially when it comes to this, day trade is a little bit different because with day trading, go for buys or sells, it's a whole different topic, whole different conversation. Interested in learning about day trading, we do day trading over here as well. Make sure to check out the playlist. But when it comes to long-term investing, you want to acknowledge the possibilities of where price can retrace, but ultimately your goal is for price to increase in price and increase in profit, right? Because you only really make money if price goes up from where you enter at. So again, keep that in mind. You want to understand where price could retrace at, but you want to use those retracements as entry points, because again, the ultimate goal is to figure out where you can see price push back up at, because when you're doing the traditional Bitcoin investing, you only make money when it increases. So as you can see here, price is right back at the support level where it's been at for the past 4 months, which is at 62,150, 62,200 price range. Now, if we can continue to hold 62,000 as support, we can see the next major level at 64,700, 64,800, and then if it can break past that level, we can see 68,000, 68,100 get hit, right? So when we go into the smaller time frame, we can see that right here. We can see how these are very important levels, and prior to the rejection, price was attempting to break and hold this low as support. But as you can see also right here, that when price did break this low tree as support, broke this level, it failed to break this resistance level, but it started to treat this low support, tried again, and then that's where the reversal came into play, respected this level here, pushed back up. So now I'm about to see if it can hold this level as support. Again, it needs to hold this low as support to then make it to these other levels. And again, when we go to an even smaller time frame, we can see this a lot more clearly. Right now, this is the ultimate high here, obviously at 72,000. It's going to need to break and hold that level as support for the uptrend to continue. Again, we see it held for a little bit the initial push up, but after that it quickly rejected and it failed to do so ever since then. Now, if it can break and hold this level here at 65,200, and then it can break this next level here at 68,000, then we can see price head up towards 72,000. Now, if you miss this initial entry, right here is a good place for entry as well at 62,000 right now. The 62,000 price range, 61,800 price range is a good entry point. So where's that right now? You can look for entry at. Now, again, when it hits these levels, you want to watch to see how it reacts to these price points. Decide if you want to add another entry or invest some more into Bitcoin, or if you want to close and secure profits. Again, these levels are very, 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 very important. Now, Let's talk about worst case scenario, which is if it fails to hold these levels. Now, if it fails to hold these levels, it could retrace back down to 54,000. Now, if it breaks past 54,000, it could retrace back down to 47,200. Now, that is still okay. It would still be technically bullish if it can continue to respect these levels as support. But in the worst case scenario, it starts to treat 47,200 as resistance. It's going to head back down to 40,800 price range. Now, this region, I got to fix this golden line. I don't know what happened here, but this region right here is not where we want to see price at. So we're not going to really talk about that unless we make it there. But that's pretty much it, y'all. Very, very, very simple. And by the way, Tay, you owe me $100. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below any questions, comments, concerns you may have. Make sure to hit that first link in the description on the free signal for Telegram. If you're interested in learning how to identify these levels, how to read the charts, a serial service or mentorship program, make sure to hit those links in the description. But before you make a decision, man, like I said, this works on everything. This works on anything with a chart. Here's some positions from last week, this month. It works on indices, metals, gold, anything with candlesticks and charts. This strategy works on. Advanced play signal, we trade Tokyo session exclusively with the members. We trade London session and then New York. Just like the Sunday chart analysis I drop in the free signal, I drop one every day during New York session called the New York price watch list. This is where I go over the trades we took during Tokyo session, London session, and possible sales going into New York. I don't just say we're looking for buys or looking for sells. I explain why we're looking for buys, why we're looking for sells, and then I take it a step further and go over key price points to look for entries and exits on. As you can see here, I call this signal. You see I'm walking y'all through what's going on with the trades we're in. I'm giving y'all updates to what I talked about in the New York price watch list. And then of course you see me showing y'all screenshots to visually show y'all what's going on behind the scenes, or what I see on my end behind the scenes. All right, we also have exclusive live streams that we go live during New York news events at least twice a week. And just like the London session lives, if you missed the live, they're recorded and posted in here so you can watch them when you get a chance. You have access to over 500 videos of daily chart analysis and weekly live streams. And in fact, you have access to even the ones last year in 2022. Then there's also the pinned messages like the account size key, the student and member group chat, and much more. Now, I also have the course, of course. The course doesn't just teach you my trading strategy, it also teaches you how to read the charts, because that's what I teach y'all. You saw I had no indicators, no trend lines. It's simply just market flow and trading and entering and exiting off key price levels. Now, all the stuff that I just went over, you get access to all that stuff in the course channel. So that way, not only do you have the step-by-step playbook of how to look and read any chart at all times, but you have ongoing chart analysis, ongoing education for life. Now, I also have one-on-one sessions. One-on-one sessions also comes with access to the advanced play signal room and the student member group chat. That way you can earn while you learn, but then you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded an hour long, but you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded in an hour long and they're sent to you the same day. Those are yours to keep for life. So if you're interested in that, hit those links in the description. If y'all want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram at playmaker_way. Also make sure to follow me on there, and TikTok _playmakerway_. I post daily on both pages. And I'll see y'all next time I'm live or next time I post a video. Peace. We out.